that we need, in order for us to really educate, we need to include. I would love now to step over to Ikra because I don't see Dr. Sexton there, but I will bring her in a few minutes. Ikra, what is your take on the educational policies that are needed in order to really have the world that we want, one that is sustainable for all, and to have a united world?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Virginia, and good evening to all the lovely ladies out there. So, as a student, as a trainer, and as a public speaking coach, I'm going to share some of my experiences that I believe are important for us to make a global world and a united world. So, as my fellow speaker said, that we all are living in a global world. The world is now a global village, and we all are connected to each other. After the pandemic, or before the pandemic, we were also, sort of connected to each other. So, I guess that it's very important for us to learn about the cultures, the languages, the laws, the values and norms of other cultures as well. So, the first and foremost thing that I personally believe that as educators we must include in our curriculums is global education. And in that global education, we should promote cultural exchange programs. And through these cultural exchange programs, students must visit other countries to represent their cultures and to know about other cultures as well. So in this way, they can exchange their food, their culture, their thoughts, their beliefs. And I guess that it is a good way to develop the mindset of students by exchanging our languages and cultures. So, exchange programs are something that I firmly believe because I'm also a cultural student and it has impacted my life immensely. So, this is the first thing that I believe that we need to include in our education system. Secondly, yes, technology and digital skills are very important and need of the time to be learned. So we need to teach our students about the modern digital skills so that they can compete with the global market. So this is the second thing that I believe that we got to teach to our students. So apart from it, languages are very important. We need to learn, of course, English and our mother language are also important. But when you learn another language, I guess that it also changes so many of your perspectives. So, learning about different languages is very important. Apart from it, when I say that technology is important, social media is important, media literacy is also very important for students to learn so that they can gain the correct information and stay away from the biased information, because on social media there is so much material and so much information out there. So it's important for the students to get the real information and to stay away from the fake information. So we need to teach them on how they can cross check the information on social media. So media literacy, I believe, is very important for them. And in media literacy, we also need to teach them how they can join the global communities such as breaking the ice talks, such as Face of Woha, as it has impacted my life being a student, being a trainer, and in every ways. So we have to teach our students as well on how they can join the global communities, how they can become a part of these societies. And we have to make them a global citizen by teaching them how they can sort out the global issues such as climate change, human rights, mental health, and how they can voice their concerns globally. Apart from it, we need to teach our students on how they can connect, communicate, and collaborate with people globally. We need to teach them to start their businesses and expand them globally by connecting, communicating, and collaborating with people around the world, and by connecting by lovely sisters like you, because it has a great impact in my life. And I believe that if any student gets this opportunity, he or she can do wonders in the world. So it's very important that we teach our students to join these communities globally. So these are few points that I believe are very important for educators to include in their education system, in their curriculums, to make this world more global, more inclusive, by promoting diversity and by promoting peace, respect, and values for each other. So yeah. as it said that education is a weapon which can change the world. So yeah, these all things are kind of a weapon which can actually change the world.
Thank you so much, Ikra. I love it. These are weapons that we can use for good. Let's change the mind and think of weapons as something that is for destruction. This is actually, these are weapons to construct, to build, and to really walk towards the world that we all want. I definitely agree with you that a global education is key, that having these exchanges is very, very important, and also learning languages. Dr. Desiree, thank you. We got your comment. Yes, we agree. Languages are key, and many times we just think of the spoken language. There are also some other languages like sign language, which would really bring all of our talent into the spectrum. It would really allow us to really reach everybody and have everybody educated. Thank you so much, Ikra. Now I want to go over to Dr. Stella.